Hi everyone. Right now on the bus heading to explore the Swiss village called Gsteigwiler. And please forgive me if I'm pronouncing it wrong. But yeah, as far as I understand it is Gsteigwiler, which is 5 kilometers from the Interlaken downtown. So I'm thrilled already and will try to give you full coverage of my visit to this beautiful village. As you can see outside, it's really beautiful. र आज चाहिँ म इन्टरलेकन नजिकैको स्टिगविलर भन्ने स्विस भिलेज एक्सप्लोर गर्न जाँदैछु। हेर्नुहोस् न कस्तो सुन्दर यहाँको घर, यहाँको आर्किटेक्चर कस्तो राम्रो। Alright, now come walk with me and let us explore the beauty of this place. Look at those houses, their architecture is truly fascinating. By the way, it's very cold, freezing here. And though it's 10 o'clock in the morning, everything is very quiet. It seems no one has woken up yet, probably because it's Sunday. मैले योभन्दा अगाडिको भिडियोमा पनि भनेको थिएँ होइन, तपाईँ जति वर्षपछि पनि स्विजरल्यान्ड आउनुहोस् न, तपाईँले सेम ल्यान्डस्केपिङ सेम डिजाइनको घरहरू देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ। जस्तो कि यहाँ हेर्नुहोस् त अहिले यिनीहरूको सिनेरी, यिनीहरूको ल्यान्डस्केपिङ स्पेसली कस्तो ब्युटिफुल। म चाहिँ अलिक चाँडो आए जस्तो हुन त बिहानको 10 बजिसक्यो र आज सायद सन्डे भएर पनि होला, यहाँ सुनसान छ, सबैजना सुतिरहेको जस्तो लाग्यो मलाई चाहिँ। कोही पनि निस्केको छैन घरबाट, प्लस टुरिस्टहरू पनि देखिँदैन। यहाँ अहिले यतिखेर एकदमै चिसो छ, पानी पनि हल्का परिरहेछ, त्यही भएर पनि होला टुरिस्ट नदेखिएको। Otherwise it will be crowded with tourists and visitors. Wow, take a look at this beautiful scene. It's truly eye-catching and stunning. यदि तपाईहरु पनि स्विजरल्यान्ड आउनुभयो भने यो ठाउँ आउन चाहिँ नबिर्सिनु होला। I highly recommend you to visit this place. हेर्नुहोस् त यो ठाउँ कति स्वच्छ र सुन्दर छ। Alright then, I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you in the next one soon. Till then, bye and have a great time.